In the next episode of What Could Possibly Go Wrong, we're going to push this Toyota Supra off that alignment rack, through here, out of the shop, back in, over in that bay. At least that's the plan. Hopefully this is a very boring portion of the video that I don't have to use.
And there's no brake master cylinder in the car.
There's no brakes. There may be parking brakes.
Right, I checked parking brake. It kind of is.
Hang on,
seat's not bolted down.
Oh. Ready?
Yep.
You want to break your door in? You're going to hit it on that pillar.
Ready?
Yeah. 1 horsepower. Make turbo noises. Vroom, 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 vroom.
It's not really what it sounds like.
What?
You're forgetting the pop, pop, pop.
Yeah, pop, 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 pop. 2-step. Dyno results, 1 horsepower. The Supra has left the building.
Feel the burner. Bump. Oh, got it.
Bump.
Oh.
The Supra has re-entered the building.
Oh.